Makeup application varies depending on the individual skin type, desired look, and occasion. However, I can provide some general tips and information. 1. Prep your skin. Before applying makeup, cleanse your face and moisturize to create a smooth canvas. 2. Apply primer. Primer helps to fill in fine lines and pores, creating a smooth surface for your makeup. 3. Foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly all over your face. 4. Concealer. Use a concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. 5. Powder. Set your makeup with a powder to help it last longer. 6. Blush. Add a pop of color to your cheeks with blush. 7. Eye makeup. Apply eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara to enhance your eyes. 8. Lip makeup. Finish off your look with a lip color of your choice. 9. Tools. Use good quality makeup brushes and tools. They will make a big difference in the final outcome. Makeup is an art, and it takes time and practice to perfect it. Remember to have fun and experiment with different looks.